Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making air fryer chicken thighs. You will need 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. In a small bowl, combine your salt, pepper, and onion powder. Now add the smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, and garlic powder. Add the baking powder, then mix until well combined. Adding the baking powder will help reduce moisture and yield crispier chicken. Make sure you have thoroughly cleaned and dried your chicken, then place them in a large bowl. Drizzle the thighs with the olive oil, making sure that each piece has been well coated. Now sprinkle your chicken with the seasoning mixture and make sure that each piece has been well coated. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Place your chicken in your air fryer, making sure that they are evenly spaced to allow the air to flow. Set the air fryer temperature to 385 degrees and allow it to cook for 25 minutes or until your chicken has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft